Hi, in this video we are going to take a look at one of the collection data type of Python, that is set. Set is an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable and or has no duplicate elements. Python set represents the mathematical notation of set. The major advantage of set is that it has highly optimized method for checking whether a specific element is contained in the set or not. This is based on the data structure known as hash table. Since sets are unordered, we cannot access items using indexes as we have done in list and tuple in previous video. However, set itself is immutable. We can add or remove items from it. A set can be created by placing all items inside a curly braces separated by comma, and another method is using inbuilt set function. So let's see both the method. Let's use the first method to create set using a curly braces. A equal to curly braces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And second method is to use a set function and create a set. B equal to set 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30. So we have created here a set named A and B. Now let's print this both set here, print A and print B. So we get here a set printed. So set are unordered collection type. So every time when we print the set, we get the different order. Now let us look at the methods of set which we can use for different operations on set. Here is the list of all methods of set. Now add is used to add the element in a set, and we cannot add element at a specific index because set does not support index. Next is clear. Clear is the method which will remove all the elements from the set without deleting the set from the memory. We have a copy which makes a copy of a set. Then we have all this difference update, discard, intersection update, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, remove, union, symmetric difference. These all are normal mathematical operations which we can use on two sets. Yes, we have here discard and remove. Basically both removes the specific element from the set, but the main difference is that the discard function leaves the set unchanged if the element is not present in the set, and on other hand the remove function will raise an error if element is not present in the set, and pop removes the random element from the set. Now let's see one method here and see how it works. Let's take a look at intersection. According to mathematical operation, intersection between two sets return a common element from both the sets. If we take an intersection of A and B, we get 4, 5, 6 as a result. Now let's see this here, taking A dot intersection B and passing B as an argument, and in this case it will return same result as we get in mathematics, that is 4, 5 and 6. So you can try all this method by yourself in your machine one by one. I have given the link which describes all the methods of the set below in the description. That's all for this video. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. See you in next video.